Can we recover deleted photos and videos from Snapchat? Have you lost important photos or videos on Snapchat and want to recover them? Don't worry, in this video, we're going to figure out some easy methods to get back our deleted Snapchat memories. So let's get started. Snapchat stores your photos and videos and memories, and even if you delete them, they might still be recoverable through Snapchat's My Data feature. Here's how. Just open Settings, open Snapchat, and go to your profile by tapping in your Bitmoji. Now, simply go to the settings icon in the top right and scroll down to My Data and tap it. Tap on My Data. Now, you might be prompted to log into your Snapchat account. Simply enter your username or email, enter your password, and click on Next. Also, simply input the code that Snapchat has sent you. As you can see here, these are all the datas that are available for download. Here you can simply export your memories, chat media, and shared stories. You have chat history, we have other media and other medias. Simply choose whichever you want. Click on Next. And you can also choose the date range from where you want to simply download your or recover your deleted photos and videos from. Simply choose that and click on Submit. Once you've done that, simply tap on Submit and Snapchat will send you a download link to your registered email within 24 hours. Once you've done that, open the email, download the zip file, and extract it to find deleted photos and videos. And that's it. That's how you can simply recover deleted photos and videos from Snapchat.